In digital world, computer knowledge is your real superpower. Hello everyone, this is Sudesh Rani. Welcome on my channel. In these days we are learning Excel software from basic to advanced. If you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe and see all video if you want to be master in Excel software. Firstly, we will open our software on our screen. Simple click on it, it's highlight on my start bar, and we have discussed these all things like title bar, menu bar, ribbon bar, and also about the scrolling bar, vertical and horizontal. And this is the spreadsheet that help us to manage our data and how many sheets in one spreadsheet, how we can add and delete sheets. And this is the office button that represent the file menu. When we click on it, it will open the file menu, and these option new, open, save and save as we have already discussed. Now we are discussing on the print command. It also have three further option: print, quick print and print preview. So to understand this part with properly, you have to see the first part of this. When we click on it, this dialog box will be open. We can move it, and we have discussed about the this area, printer, name, status, type. These all things we have already discussed. And now we are on the property. When we click on property, it will open the property of this printer. This Canon G2010 series property. Every printer has different property, and this printer show this property. And this is the first tab, quick setup. We have already discussed the quick setup tab. Its option commonly used, setting, and these all option like save, delete, print preview, additional feature, media type, print quality. These all things we have discussed in detail in first part. Printer, paper size, paper source, and this is the always print with current setting. See what is this? This setting, if you own this setting, you don't need to set every time when you need to print these all things like paper size and paper source and quality. These all things like printer paper size, when we have discussed these all things, and the paper source and the how many copy you need and which type paper quality, print quality and media type. If you own this, if you need own this, and you can use the same setting on all printing document. Next is the main tab. See how do work main tab. These option, media type, paper source, and these all thing, it also show the printer. And this is the photo paper plus glossy that we have already set, and it also show the custom size that we have given in our part 1. You can see these all thing. And this is the media type, which paper you have set from here, that will be highlight in preview. Like this, if you change, you will notice the effect in preview. If you select envelope, and then you will see in the print preview how it highlight. You can choose any other like plain paper, photo paper, glossy photo paper, any you can take from here, and you will notice the effect in preview. Next is the paper source, print quality, high, standard. These all things we have already discussed in the quick setup tab. See additional feature, media type, print quality, preview. These all things we have already discussed here, and these are the same in the main tab. So we will not discuss these all things again. But one thing is here, you will see this is the color intensity, we will discuss it. And this is a custom button. When you click on it, the set button also will be highlight. If you off it and choose another option, you will see this option will be off or gray. When we choose, it will be highlight. When we click on it, this dialog box will be open, custom, and if we want to how we can use it, we can go on the help option. When we click on it, you will see this site will be open. To use this command, internet connection is most important in our computer. If we have not internet connection, then we cannot use. See, when we click on it, the site will open and show all information and guideline about that command, and this is the printer site. See, by scrolling it up and down, you can see everything about this command. See, this is the dialog box that show on the screen, main tab description that guide us about every option step by step. We can read and can get all information about it without any problem. By scrolling it, we can read this media type, paper, source, these all thing, and by scrolling, when we scroll it at the end, you will see all the link that help us to get more information about it if we want to go in deep. So by clicking any link, we can read anything. So come back on our command. If we don't need, we can set it by balance bar. If we don't need anything, then if you have set, then press an OK, otherwise cancel it. The next option is color and intensity. It has two options, auto and manual. When auto option is on, then see set option is unhighlight. It's looking gray. But when we click on manual, this option will be highlight. Auto means printer do set color intensity automatically without our interfere, but when we want to set color intensity according to our choice, then we click on manual and then set button, and see this dialog box will be open, manual color adjustment. We can move this dialog box here and there and see these all option, OK, cancel and help, and see all the option, and we can set it according to our requirement. This is the view color pattern. These are the all color. We can choose any color from them. If we not like these color, we click on this view color pattern and show the color plate, and we can take any color. It work on cyan, magenta and yellow color theme. We can choose any color, and there are the color we can increase or decrease. These are the balance bar. This is the magenta balance bar, yellow balance bar. By moving here and there, left and right, we can set our color according to our choice. Like this magenta and yellow also, these are the arrow button. By them we can increase or decrease these color proportion, and we can type also manually. Next is the brightness. It has three options. When we click on it, it show all, light, normal and dark. We use normal option, but in rare case we use light and dark also, depend on the theme of our printing, which type print we want. So in rare case we use light and dark option, but now we are using normal. So click on it, normal option is on. Next is the intensity. This is the intensity. By these two button we can set increase or decrease. This is the balance bar, light and dark. In contrast also it has balance bar, and also the button where we can increase and decrease. We also can type here by keyboard. So by these all thing we can set our color and intensity according to our requirement. So by default we can go on our actual setting that system has provided. Then after these all thing setting, it also has a help button that guide us about every option about it, and we can go on it. The next option is OK and cancel. If we have set properly, then we can go on OK option and we can use these option. The next is the grayscale printing that we have already discussed properly in quick setup. You can see here additional feature. This is the grayscale printing we have already discussed. So this is the same in the main also. The next option also preview before printing. This also we have discussed in the quick setup. That is preview before printing. So we don't need discuss it again and again. So we have discussed all these things. One thing we have not discussed, that is in the set button. For this we will go again on set button and we will see this dialog box again. We have already discussed color adjustment, but we have not discussed the matching option. See this, it is a cursor setting that control how colors are interpreted and printed. It determines how the printer driver handle color management, that ensuring the colors on the screen closely match the printed output proper. Use of this mode help us to achieve accurate color reproduction that is essential for high quality photo printing, professional document and graphic design project. We always use driver matching. In this mode, the printer driver automatically controls color correction based on its internal color management system. It analyzes the color in the document and adjusts them to produce the best match based on the selected paper type and print quality. It is simple and easy for non-expert. ICN means International Color Consortium. Profile, it profiles installed on the computer to manage color. We will not go in deep of this, but just simple understand driver matching is a important color mode. After setting these all things, we will go on OK and we will set these all things. The next will be page setup. This is important, and we can see here the same preview area that has highlight in the main. We have already see in the main. The next is paper size, that is also we have already discussed in quick setup bar. Here print paper size, this is also the same, so we will not discuss it again. The size also we can take custom also according to our requirement, and these are the ready-made size if you want to take. The next is the orientation, portrait and landscape. We can take any option from this according to our requirement, and preview also highlight with it how it will look after the printing. Next is the rotate 180 degree. When we click on it, focus on the printer, how the text will be changed. So it rotate the text in 180 degree angle. So it's also our requirement how type we are taking printing. Next is the page layout, normal size, borderless, fit to page, scale, page layout. By scrolling it we can check all page layout, tiling, poster, and this is the automatic checkbox. If we on this, you can see automatically reduce large document that the printer cannot output. So this must be on, that enhance our printing. This is a duplex printing. It's not highlight because this is also not used in the quick setup. When we use it from here, then this automatically will be highlighted here. Next is the stapling side. It also has a drop down that give option long side stapling right and left, and short side stapling top and bottom. Means if we need the document staple, then we use this option and give command from which side we need to staple, and for this we will lose the gutter side space. This is the space margin, how much margin we need to leave it. So this is the margin preview, and this is the button where we can type our required margin. By these arrows we can increase or decrease according to our requirement. Like I have set 5. This is in inches. Then we will press on OK. Otherwise we can cancel, and by the default button it will set according to the system. And it also has the help button if we need, so we can use these all thing according to our requirement. After these all setting, we will press on OK and see the all layout we can check. Next is the copy area that we have already discussed. So we have discussed in the quick setup how much copy we need here, that we have discussed very deeply, so don't need to discuss here in page setup. It has also two options, print from last page or collate. We can check these boxes that help us in printing. Collate means it will give us setting of the document. We don't need to set manually. So I hope you like these information. If you want to learn these all things deeply, so you have to be on my channel. Some people think it's boring to go deep of these printing setting, but these can be boring, I accept it, but these are very important if you want to be expert in Excel software. For these all things you should learn printing command properly. So thanks for watching, and if you are first time on my channel, so please subscribe, like and share, and also comment how you feel during learning with me. Thank you.